Hey people, so I normally never put all this food on my bed like this, but it's a bit cold, so I didn't want the rabbits to be on the ground. So yeah, this is that's what it just feels so nice. I think I realized that yeah, the vegetable market. I should go there. I think twice a week, really, Fridays and Wednesdays. Something when Wednesdays in Bachpalli, because yeah, this is it. This is my room, and normally I record from the other video. I record from the other phone, but these little animals are here. Today I went for a meditation program. It was the Paramahamsa Yogananda program. Seek God now. So yeah, lectures from man's eternal quest. Oh, I didn't know this. Man's eternal quest. So nice. Yeah, all from this book itself. Oh, see, awesome.